TikTok Shop Affiliate is by far one of the best ways to make money online right now, even as a complete beginner. The best part is you don't need to launch your own brand, create your own product, or even really do anything in general. Just make videos and make money. And the reason why TikTok Shop Affiliate is so hype is because if you get a video to blow up, such as just a normal TikTok, you can make as much as $1,000 per 10,000 or even 100,000 views. And now we have people that are sitting on live streams making anywhere from 25, 50, or even 150 bucks an hour. So it's easy to say so many people want to get into it, but the only issue is that you need an account. Now, there are a lot of ways to go about this, but I'm going to go ahead and break down my 4 top personal methods on exactly how I'm able to get accounts from 0 to 5,000 followers, or even just get in the program without any of those methods. So if you stick to the complete end, I'm going to go ahead and show you pretty much everything that I've known as being an affiliate for the past 2 years. Let's get into it. Okay, so for the first method, it's going to be simply growing your own TikTok Shop account, and by far what it looks like on the screen, so many people are going to go ahead and say like, bro, like this is not a TikTok Shop account. This is just a normal TikTok account. That's the point. You don't need to make TikTok Shop affiliate content or really do anything in that area until you're actually inside the program. You can essentially buy an account. You can make an account. You can grow an account. You can do whatever you want. The second you're inside the program is when you can actually switch and start making the videos that are actually going to make you money. So for example, this is the page that I actually started only a month ago, and pretty much every video is just catered towards making money online. And again, so many people might think it's a bad idea to simply switch the niche, then, switch it up. Personally, it doesn't matter. TikTok doesn't care as long as you're making them money and you're making yourself some money. And again, this is very easy, and it's a good niche because pretty much I only have 40,000 likes, but I've gained already 2,600 followers, pretty much halfway of that 5,000 follower niche. And like I said, it's very easy. These videos are copy and paste. They're just videos of me that I download from my phone. I put a little caption up talking about here's how you make money online. And then from there, people obviously follow me. They want to learn more. And again, you can even make money by selling your own digital products or affiliate products in the meantime. And if you guys are wondering, how do I actually make videos that make people want to follow me? Well, you got to go ahead and take a look at this. So here's an account that, I don't really recommend this, but if you want to go and start that way, you can. So this guy essentially was just making videos about pretty much everything and anything. This guy was talking about news. It wasn't getting that many views. Then you go over to soccer. He started to make soccer clips, 100 views, 600 views. Again, but then he noticed something. If you go up, scroll a little bit, he's showing girls, women just doing their normal dances, whatever. People follow them, and the reason being is because there's a lot of desperate men out there that just want to go ahead and make a connection, do all this stuff. Like, I know it's crazy, but like it actually works. Only 2,800 likes, 5,000 followers, and like I said, they can switch their account to affiliate now, and they can start making money from there. They can even private everything if they want. But this is honestly like a fast method, and by far, bro, it works. For method number 2, this is essentially going the paid route where you can go ahead and put ads to your videos. So this can either be promoting your videos on the TikTok app, or you can just literally create an ads manager account and then essentially just start putting ads to your videos. Now, this is an example of a page that I started pretty much around like 2-3 months ago. And funny enough, this is actually like an old page that I did generally use for my own life. So like I said, if you already have an account that has 1,000, 5,000, or even 10,000 followers, like you can use it for TikTok Shop Affiliate. You don't have to do anything because it doesn't matter if you've been posting in the past week, day, month, or even year. They still let you in the program. They only care about the followers. So again, I posted so much here, but like I said, this is just the dead account. I had around 3,000 followers, so I was like, I didn't really need to spend that much money. So essentially, I was just posting, types of ads where it would gauge people to follow me for specific reasons. And of course, that got me over to that 5,000 follower mark, essentially getting me inside the program. Now, one thing I do want to go ahead and let you guys know, TikTok actually knows how to detect if you're buying followers, if you're doing follow for follow. That's sort of like a legal way in terms of TikTok's guidelines. You're obviously not going to be able to get accepted into the program, no matter how smart, no matter how real the followers look. They're going to be able to actually tell, and I promise you, I've done this thousands of times. It does not work. You actually have to grow a real following with real people, despite whether that be organic or paid. And like I said, there are hundreds of other people that do this. If you guys want to go ahead and get a full kind of breakdown tutorial on how to do this, you can save yourself a bunch of money opposed to actually, going out and buying an account or getting scammed. You're just doing anything like that because, like I said, it's pretty easy to do this. Not many people talk about it. Now, again, this is very beneficial if you want to go ahead and put some money aside to do this because, one, TikTok actually allows you to do it. And some people even say that TikTok encourages you to actually do this because, one, you're able to make them money, and two, you're actually able to get a real following and actually join the affiliate program. But that being said, if you got some money to put aside, this is good for you. The only con that I would say is that not every single time that you post an ad, you're going to get followers. It's not guaranteed where you're literally paying money to get people to follow you. You're posting a video and hoping that they actually follow you. So whatever content or whatever ad you're posting needs to actually gauge people to follow you. But like I said, if you want a full breakdown on exactly how to actually go about doing that, then go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Now, for method number 3, not many people talk about this, and it is definitely something slept on. And honestly, you might even be able to just start today by doing this. So essentially, this is called a TikTok pilot program, where they pretty much launched it for people that don't even have 5,000 followers. If you have only 1,000 followers on TikTok that are legitimate people that actually did follow you, or at least by chance, TikTok doesn't just detect that you have fake followers, you will be able to get inside the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And what I mean by that is essentially if you actually have an account with eligible followers, like I said, they actually drop that requirement now, so you can actually get in what's called the pilot program, meaning that there's some other perks, but essentially you get the affiliate program. Now, again, same rules apply. You cannot bot your followers. You can't buy anything that it just simply doesn't work. You actually have to get real quality followers. So again, everything that I told you about earlier, you need to go ahead and apply that now. But the only thing that's different is, most people ask, okay, why would I buy an account then? Or why would somebody grow to 5,000 followers? The only issue is the limitation. So I believe TikTok lets you post around only 5 videos a week, and they only let you go live 3 times per week. If you're trying to make some serious money, like 50, 100, 200, 300 bucks a day, you're not going to be able to actually hit those numbers with the amount of videos and lives that they do let you. So that's the only drawback. Now, if you're trying to, slowly grow an account, go inch by inch, and eventually, start making 10, 20, 30, 50 bucks a day, maybe even, this will work for you. But like I said, for super scalability, this is not going to work for you. And the only issue is that so many people say, let's just go ahead and start an account with 1,000 followers and grow it up to 5,000. But at that point, since you're posting only shop content where you're posting like videos where people are just going to go ahead and buy from you, nobody cares about you. They care about what you're buying. So you actually growing from 0 to 5,000 followers from your videos or your lives is going to take a long, long time. So that leads and pretty much gauges the entire question. What is the fastest route to actually going about doing this, even if it's a little bit of a paid option? So for the sake of this video, I partnered with monetizecreator.com. This is probably one of the best websites that I've personally used for this sort of thing. Now they actually provide, social media accounts for not only TikTok, but also Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, pretty much any other social media platform out there. But whenever they launched their actual TikTok offer, I thought to myself, it's actually pretty cool because it's one of those hardest things to get on. Last year, I actually told people about how to buy an account, where to get it from, go to these sketchy Indian websites. The issue was these accounts never actually had real followers. They were from other countries. I wasn't even able to tell. So whenever I was recommending it to people that were buying it, they were essentially getting ripped off, and they were spending like $200, $300, $400 on these accounts. They simply wouldn't work. So whenever I actually looked into the details of this company, I reached out to them and said, hey, let's go and work something out. They actually plugged me up with an account, and I was actually able to use it for a couple days, see exactly what it's real. This is built by real people. This is actually a full team all the way in Asia that specifically grows every single one of these accounts for United States people. Now, if you're in any other country, it does work. You obviously have to go through a little bit of a process to actually, get the accounts, loaded up for your specific category. But like I said, these things work perfectly well. Now, like I said, TikTok Shop Affiliate sounds great. It's amazing, and it's a great way to make money. The only issue is that the actual part of you getting inside the program and then actually making money with the program is a long way to go. So essentially, it's just like learning how to day trade. You think it's great. It's amazing. You can get so many good returns out of it. The only issue is that nobody actually talks about the spending of 1, 2, 3, 4 years even to just simply get good at it, then to actually start making real money. So essentially, you're just learning a craft, getting inside of it, then you're actually going and taking action, which is 2 different boats. So what I recommend to pretty much everybody that obviously wants to start TikTok Shop Affiliate pretty much tomorrow within 24 hours, and to every person that comes through my coaching program, I literally tell them just buy an account for this exact reason, because not only are you getting a fully vetted account with 5,000 followers, you're pretty much getting everything that you need to actually launch on this program. So essentially, you're getting an account, like I said, it's 100% organic, so you're not getting any paid followers, no bots, no crap, like nothing. You're also going to be getting a US-based account. So like I said, if you're in the United States, it's going to be something that actually helps you get that US audience. Because if you're getting a bunch of views and videos from other countries, nobody's going to buy. And on top of that, TikTok just doesn't like people posting from other countries with different audiences. Now, the best part is that, this is a pre-approved process. So you're not only going to go ahead and get the account pretty much ready to go. If you have any issues, essentially, one, you go ahead and get your money back, or you can essentially get an account given back to you if you do run into any issues. And then last but not least, like I already mentioned, you get that pre-approved process. Now, what I mean by that is that whenever you actually get inside the account, you don't have to apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate. They've already been accepted into the program. So you're not going to go ahead and get an account, enter your information, and then from there, you're not going to go ahead and get inside the program and you're stuck with an account. This is already in the program. All you got to do is enter your tax information. Then from there, you can obviously start posting and making money. Now, for most people out there that haven't heard about this website, I didn't really know much about it until I actually, started doing some research on it. This is definitely by far one of the biggest websites and most trusted places to actually go ahead and get your account inside of. So pretty much they have over 1,500 people using these accounts so far, over 3,500 deliveries on the entire website. And like I said, there's a lot of stats to obviously go over, 2 million in sales. Like, I don't really need to go over the nitty gritty, But essentially, that's everything that you guys do need to know. If you want to go ahead and get these in the description down below, I will go ahead and leave my code down below. Again, that being said, everybody, TikTok Shop Affiliate is definitely something that you guys need to go ahead and take advantage of. I'm going to go ahead and literally hop off the video, go on a live stream, make some money. But that being said, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, and also go ahead and see you guys later.